it was so bothering in my, it was different. Kaya hindi mo talaga ma-imagine. It's a situation you wouldn't want to be in.
We all don't want to be. Okay, Direct Paul, for the awards and international recognition.
Before I answer that, just wanted to add to the characters that these great actors here portrayed. Each actor, not just Enriquez, was also heavily researched. The character of Manu John is based on real criminals. So the character played by Alex Udin was based on a real criminal. We went to the prisons actually also, and we got to meet some criminals. So that's how, at least myself, was able to tell the story. I really thrive on the truth and putting that truth on the big screen. At least we're doing, but hopefully that's what we achieved. In terms of international awards, well, my focus is just telling great stories. I think at the end of the day, the master is the story. And if your story wins those awards, great. But at the end of the day, I feel already awarded working with such a brilliant cast and being able to tell a story, have it come out in cinemas, that in itself is already a big achievement for myself. And so be it, masaya din eh. With Hele, it's reaffirming, but I get to tell stories to create awareness.
Okay, Mami Jo. Meron ka ba tanong?
Sana yung favorite scene mo din. Kasi binabantay ako parate meron kang art sa paggamit ng ilaw. Yung screenplay mo talagang flawless.
Well, screenplay by Coyle and Medina was very, very good. My favorite scene, actually, being inside the room, I think, the room that Carlo was in, overall, and I don't know if it's something that I will achieve, it's for the audience to tell me. I shot the film as claustrophobic as possible. So I used a lot of tight lenses, 135, 85. So my depth of field was very shallow, and I wanted to choke the audience just as well as I was choking. So hopefully, when you're watching the film, unlike the last film I produced, which was about 8 hours, so this is about an hour and 20 minutes now, about an 80-minute, 90-minute, fast-paced. I want to keep the audience on the edge of their seats, and the only time you get to breathe is at the end. Pero yan ang tinay ko. And hopefully on the 13th of July, we get that reception. So, yun.
Okay, thank you, Direk. Thank you, Mami Jo, for the question. Miss G. Juliana has a question, sorry.
Taking this movie, what has been its effect on you regarding your personal security? Have you become paranoid or more security conscious? Because of the theme, it's a crime thriller, so did it make you reflect on your safety as celebrities?
The question is for everyone. Miss Bing, na ano ba ang question ba ang security?
Medyo. Kasi, I don't lock my doors. Not even my main door. So now I do. I even lock my bedroom.
Because of after doing the movie, wow.
I'm so trusting that, I can sleep well at night. But I just realized that there are bad people out there. And, it's not just the people that I know. So, yes, I'm more careful now.
Okay. Alex,
since we played the characters, hindi masyado naisip yung get sa paranoid security. But I guess, when you actually get to see the film, siguro that's when you have that sense of, I guess, yung paranoia ka na. Like, kasi, kunyari, nagkaroon ng video sa Facebook, like, mga hinohold up, agad-agad. I think yun yung, siguro I guess, message ng movie na, I think it. Pero I'm playing the characters, so I can't really look at it from the outside as much.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, I think I became slightly paranoid. I live in a condo, so sometimes iniiwan ko lang na unlock yung doorknob ko. But after shooting the film, lalo ko lang nilalock all the time. I became more cautious. And I'm planning to have a third lock. I'm just alone, so alam mo yun, kailangan ko talagang maging may...
Hindi na kasi siguro sa bahay ka dapat nagiging careful about that. Siguro
namin may kasama.
Okay, Dino.
I say, I'm not really not paranoid, but I'm more aware. Because I try to put myself in the mind of these criminals, and it's just that in certain situations they really just care about themselves. And that's what I'm trying to, well, hopefully will never happen to anyone in this room. But definitely more aware of these kinds of people around.
Thank you, Dino. Brother Bo.
Yeah, I believe in saying better safe than sorry. Okay, so I lock all my doors. My fences are with really sharp.